Timmy, what was your favorite part, honey?
Your favorite part? The tunnel.
Which tunnel, Timmy?
The first tunnel. This one.
Okay. So now, let me see. Wait, they disappeared. Where are they going?
Inside the tunnel.
And what's going to happen?
They're going to come out at the end of the tunnel.
Nice.
Is Percy stuck in there? No. He's just going
Oh, there he is.
They can go out. It takes a little time to get
All right. So now, Connor, tell me a little bit more about where you're sitting.
Well, I'm sitting by the fire station. We like to start it here because it goes all the way around and it goes straight.
You mean it's going to go all the way around this huge track?
Yes! We have even more tracks over there.
Oh, let me see. So, wait, I have a question. They're on the inside track now. How do they get to that outside track?
This little switcher. It goes that way and it goes straight.
No, but what about this outside track here, like this part?
At the end of the video, it's gonna go.
Oh, there they are. There they go.
Oh no! Derailed.
Good, excellent, excellent conductor. What a good engineer.
Yeah, we
All right.
both created this together.
This is awesome. All right, so
Why did we do a video
which train is faster, the red and yellow one or the green
The
Percy
red
one?
and yellow one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look how fast. That one's
Wait, did you just disassemble some track to me? What do you have in your hand?
That's an extra track.
Oh, thank goodness.
So that's a Brio brand, and that's
Thomas and
Thomas and Friends.
Its name is called Percy.
Yes.
It's in Percy.
All right. Is that going to fall on them, that cargo that's up there on Cranky?
No. We just put that there because we thought we were going to use an extra tree, but it turns out it's not. There's nothing that's.
There's no polar loads?
No. We don't have any motor control.
Ah,
So now if I come around this way, what's going to
Percy's
happen?
going to be a pusher. Percy's going to push it.
Let's see. Can he do it? Is he going to make it? Is he going to make it?
I think I can. I pushed him. I pushed.
You gave him a little spot.
I just gave him a little touch.
All right. So they made it through the bridge okay.
Yay! I hope they make it under. They didn't really do a test rig yet.
You didn't?
No.
Oh, no.
I think
That's a problem.
we're gonna have to switch back.
All right. So now they're going to come back around.
On Facebook, it doesn't matter if the
YouTube.
Oh no! It's YouTube.
Yeah, we just need to.
It also doesn't matter about Facebook.
All right. So now
Facebook doesn't matter, but videos do.
he's coming around this way, and then what's going to happen?
Yep.
We have to push it even a little like that.
Now they're
Awesome.
going to the bridge.
Now they're entering the London Bridge.
The London Bridge is going to be falling down.
Percy the rail.
Is this a practice video?
No.
Yeah, it is. We'll make this practice
Sure,
video.
sure.
We're gonna modify this stuff.
Don't put this on Facebook though.
Okay.
Don't put it on any.
Can I see what you do? Can I see it?
No.
Can I see
Go
it?
back.
Get
Go
back
back.
in
Go
there.
back. Go back.
Oh,
All right. So now, wait. Did it do its full loop when it gets back over here? When do I know the full loop has
the
been
full
completed?
loop is when it
When it goes all the way back, when it gets all the way over here.
Oh, back.
It's
Then
right
it's done
there.
its full loop.
Yeah, it's his full.
Yeah, but we have to wait until Percy's done.
Man, that Brio train has got a lot more. But Percy derailed twice, didn't he?
Yeah, we gotta buy more. We gotta buy more compasses.
What are we buying more of? Don't we have a lot already?
Motor trains.
Oh, motor trains. Okay.
Yeah.
Connor, do you have this track at home, buddy? No.
I thought he had like. I thought he had like 20 tricks. He's got like 100.
Oh yeah.
It's bigger than the stuff you find at the store.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. So are we done?
No, we have to wait for Percy.
Connor, come back in the video so I can see you, pal. There you
This
go.
is not the real video. Okay?
Okay. Oh. Are you gonna close off the crosswalks there?
What?
Open up the crosswalks so people can walk through.
No, drive.
Wait, can he get through that if you keep it closed? Let's see what happens.
No, he could take it through.
No, but they're not. We're going to stop them right
Wait,
here.
no, let's try. Let's see if he makes it.
Let's see what happens. It's an experiment. Uh-oh. Tammy, don't... Just wait. Let's see. Oh!